Shalom. My name is Michael Decker, and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Cohen, Decker, Pex and Brosh. Today, within the framework of our work regarding Portuguese nationality for descendants of Sephardic Jews, I wanted to discuss a draft law that was submitted during the Corona period on the 28th of April 2020. Basically, this draft law will greatly affect the current quite amazing possibility that exists for anyone that can prove that they're a descendant of Jews that were expelled in 1492 from Spain and in 1497 from Portugal. All these descendants can today obtain a Portuguese, European basically, passport without knowing the Portuguese language, without living in Portugal, and without even visiting Portugal one time, because they can go to the embassy to the Portuguese embassy near where they live and just collect the passports. As explained in other videos we have, anyone that can prove that they're descendants of Sephardic Jews that were expelled can obtain this passport. For example, everyone from North Africa, Jews that came from North African countries, or Jews that came from countries that used to be part of the Ottoman Empire, are almost clearly Sephardic. And also there are many descendants of Sephardic Jews, whether they are Jewish today or not, that are scattered all over the world, and our office has genealogists that are experts and that know how to determine linkage to these Sephardic Jews if they exist in your family tree. So this is a really amazing opportunity for many people, and therefore this draft law that was submitted has a great effect on many people, which is negative, because in the draft law it says that you will need to actually live in Portugal in order to be able to obtain Portuguese citizenship as a descendant of Sephardic Jews. Then one of the main reasons, and it should be noted, for this draft law to be submitted by the Socialist Party, and by the way, is the advertisement that is being done here in Israel by many companies, like commercial companies that are not law firms, that are basically trying to sell this in a very cheap way and advertise this in a very cheap way, and forgetting that this is an actual passport of an official country, and a passport isn't something that's for sale. It's an official document of a respected country. So naturally these advertisements make it and reach also to Portugal and puts many people in an inconvenient situation there. And this is the reason, inside the draft law it's written even that this is the reason for this draft law. We don't know exactly if this draft law will be accepted, and we don't know for sure if it won't be accepted, and we don't know if the law will change in a different way. If this draft law is accepted as it was submitted, this means that already, like in the year 2021, the law will change, and descendants of Sephardic Jews will need to live in Portugal in order to obtain the Portuguese passport. Therefore, it is important, if you're a descendant of a Sephardic Jew, and if you want to obtain this very unique, once-in-a-lifetime possibility to have a European passport without investing anything, just by being a descendant of a Sephardic Jew, you might want to jump on the train now, because you might miss the opportunity. And this is a golden opportunity. In any case, if you have any further questions or queries on the matter, you can feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to be of assistance. Thank you very much for your time.